got a Dart block, Eagle rotating assembly, forged pistons, Edelbrock aluminum heads, bolted up to a TKO 5-speed manual transmission, independent four-wheel suspension. I've got power steering. I've got big brakes, 13 inches up front, 11 inch out back. And you don't need a stereo because, man, does it sound good. This just begs you to take it to the racetrack. You could never exploit the performance available underneath your right foot in any way on a civilian road. But man, it will make you want to do it. It will egg you on. I love this thing. Your girlfriend's not gonna like it. Your wife's not gonna like it. But who cares? Because you will. Side pipes right underneath my ears are just beckoning for more. Oh, it's intoxicating. Alright, now that we know what's under the hood, what's under that transmission tunnel, let's talk about what's inside, which ain't a whole hell of a lot. You got full gauges, you got some rotary switches here, toggle switches, I should say. The horn button works, turn signals, hazards, lights, fogs, and then this is pretty sweet here. You get rabbit wipers or you get turtle wipers. I'm assuming fast and slow. But let's face it, you would never want to drive this car in the rain anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now then, I've got no radio, don't need one. I do have ice cold air conditioning though. We think that a 1965 Super Performance Type 65 would have air conditioning, but in Florida, oh man, it's amazing. So now I can drive this thing year round without killing myself from the heat from the side pipes and these tiny little Perspex plexiglass windows. But unfortunately, you cannot go to the burger joint. You're not getting a McDonald's drink through that window. It just ain't gonna happen.